Good morning, children. Welcome RV online classes. So today I am explaining you second lesson, that is latitudes and longitudes. So in previous class you studied about the globes and maps. I hope you understood that lesson. So today's second lesson, that is the latitudes and longitudes. So in this lesson we are going to study these all points, lines of latitude, then equator, then hemisphere, then important lines of latitude, then this all Tropic of Cancer, then Tropic of Capricorn, then Arctic Circle, then Antarctic Circle. These all we are going to study one by one. So here first, latitude and longitude. The Earth, it covered with the many imaginary lines. So it have many imaginary lines, vertically and horizontal also. So here, now we are studying that all lines. Which are that line? Saying for that lines. Okay, so when we are seeing the globe, at that time we saw that many lines, vertical and horizontal also. So here, that lines, vertical lines means here have the many lines. This is the prime meridian, this is the south, this is the north pole, and this is the equator line. Middle line, it is the equator line. Equator line. Here is this one is the prime meridian. So here many lines are there. We saw that many lines when we see the globe. At that time we saw many lines. That all lines are imaginary lines. The line running vertical from the south means north to south. So it is called the longitude. Means here north to south. Which lines are coming north to south from here to this way, then here. So this all touching here. Okay. So vertical lines means longitude from north to south. These all lines are running from north to south. But when it will start from north pole to south pole, then it will become a little bit decreasing, because our world, that globe is the that shape is like a ball. So when it will moving from here to like this, straight line is coming full big, then side how it will decreasing, then it will going slowly less. Okay, so these all lines are touching from here only, from north pole to here south pole. Okay, so that's why it is little bit decreasing. So from north to south lines are running, that is called the vertical lines. Then again equator line, middle line, that is called the equator line. So here this line this is also parallel line, and here also it moving from east to west, but these all are going straightly, it not touching each other. Here also same, this way, but north and south point when coming, the lines also decreasing slowly here also same thing. Okay, so these are called vertical lines, sorry, horizontal lines. So north to south lines are coming, that lines are called the vertical. Then east to west lines are moving, that is called the horizontal lines. So middle line, it is called the equator line. This is the equator line. And from north to south coming line, that is called the prime meridian line. Okay, so then that is the over. Now second point, third point, that is the hemisphere. So here we are calling the hemisphere means half of the world. So here with the equator line, it is cutting the half of the world map. So up north, it is called the northern hemisphere. Then south, southern hemisphere. Okay, like this. So again, same way from east to west, that is also eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, like this. So here first lines of latitude means here latitude lines. I'm saying first you latitude lines. Latitude lines is from our north to south. That lines are called the latitude. Then again equator means middle line, middle of the earth. So that is called the equator. Then hemisphere means this middle line is dividing the world half of up. That is called the northern hemisphere. Down, that is called the southern hemisphere. So then important lines of latitude. Here some important lines of the latitude. Which are there? Okay, here Tropic of Cancer. So first one coming Tropic of Cancer. It is coming up here. So here we are dividing that 23 by half north. Okay, degree north. So then again which one? Tropic of Capricorn. It will come down in southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, that is degree how much? 23 by half degree south. Okay. Then this line is called the Tropic of Capricorn. This line is called the Tropic of Cancer. Then Arctic Circle. Here we know that Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. That is also 66 degree and half. Then now down also 66 degree and half degree. Then 66 half degree south and here north. Okay, so these are the main lines. These are the important lines. So here these all lines are the parallel. They are not meeting or touching each other any place. So here we know that how is the latitude lines are there. Okay, once again I will show you. I will this is the okay. Little bit. Okay, now we are studying about the latitude lines. So before I told you latitude lines also and longitude lines also. Now latitude lines means from up to down counting. These are called the latitude lines. Okay. In that middle is the equator. It is the 0 degree. The 0 degree latitude is called the equator. This latitude line middle, it is the 0 degree. So it is called the latitude 0 degree line. From here 0 degree it will start 1, 2, 3 like this till here. And here also from here only it will start. So it is called the 0 degree latitude lines. And here the lines of the latitude are shorter near the poles. So how it will come from poles? It will become shorter. Means the distance here is more, but when it comes and when it touches to north pole and south pole, then the distance is little bit shorter. So this is the latitude lines from north to south. These lines are running from north to south. And again hemisphere. So hemisphere, when equator line is passes middle of the earth, then it will become the half. So northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It will become the southern hemisphere. So here this world is divided into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So here in this world map we can see the continents. when we are seeing the continents, at that time we see that which continents are coming up in northern hemisphere, which are the down. But one continent, that is the Africa, it is coming middle of this line, half up and half down of the equator. So here we can see that how much place that occupy that continents by the help of these lines. We are measuring the lines by the degree. So here we can know that how much far or how much near to that continent or this continent or oceans. Like this we can see here. So here by the help of these imaginary lines we can see the our whole world map. Means our globe, how it is, means earth, it is this globe, it is the model of the earth. So we can see easily how it is by the help of this. And here last coming the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle, it is coming near the pole. So Antarctic Circle, it is coming the North Pole. And here Tropic of Cancer, North, Tropic of Capricorn, it coming in south. So like this it will show that. Okay. So then this is the west, this is the east, and north and south. Okay, vertical line means that run from north to south. Sorry, vertical lines. Horizontal line means from east to west, straightly moving. That is called the horizontal lines. So some importance here, lines of the latitude we studied now. In next class I will explain about the longitude. So once again I am repeating you, listen carefully. This lines of latitude, equator, hemisphere, important lines of latitude. These are here are the four important lines are there. So the earth appears to the cover by many imaginary lines, vertical and horizontal. Vertical lines are called the latitude lines, means it runs from north to south, and horizontal line, that lines are running from east to west. So it is called the vertical lines. And again here many important lines are there. That one Tropic of Cancer, then Tropic of Capricorn, then Antarctic Circle, then Arctic Circle up. So this way we can say them. So here again hemisphere means that equator line, middle of the earth or globe is there. That line is called the 0 degree, and that line is dividing the earth in two parts, north and south part. So we are saying that northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Then some important lines means before I told you, first up Tropic of Cancer, then down Tropic of Capricorn, then up Arctic Circle, then down Antarctic Circle. Middle line is the equator line. So here we can understand better, is it? So then the important continent names, if you want to write here, means you can see the world map and you draw the like this world map or globe. Make it your maybe take some pieces of the paper or ball, and on paper you draw the world map and stick on that. Then you can see the world map. And plain you want to do like this, like latitude and longitude lines means take a plain paper, on that you put the lines latitude and longitude, then you can paste it. Then you can see that how the world will looking. Then again the large mass of the earth are called continents. So on the globe or map, world map, large mass of the land is called the continents, and about 70% of the earth's surface is covered by the water. Maybe you know this, So once again I will say you listen, more than 70%, means 70%, in 100% of the world 70% is water, 30% is the land. So that land is called the continents and 70% water is called the oceans. Means here they are called the water bodies and landmass. That continents, it is called the landmass. Okay. So here over, then again in these 4 points, Tropic of Cancer, it will come 23.5 north. Tropic of Capricorn, it will come south, 23.5 degrees south. Then Arctic Circle, 66.5 north. Then Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree in south. So this much is your lesson. Class, I will tell you longitude lines. Okay, you understood. Thank you, children.